Here's how to rotate and scale an object the easy way with Altspace. First, go to World Editor. Click on Edit Mode, Editor Panel. Look for a kit that you want to rescale and rotate. I like the Zen sculpture, so I'm going to go to Samurai Props and I'm going to click on this Zen kit. So then once you're happy with the kit, what you can do is you can actually close this menu for now. Click on the kit so that it's highlighted in blue, and there are a number of things you can do. If you click on these spheres and you hold down your left mouse button and move it up, you can make it as big as you want. And if you do the same and you bring it down, you can make it as small as you want. Next, I want to rotate it. Now on Altspace, there are these little cylinders that you can see. If you click on the cylinder and hold it with your left mouse button, you can rotate it wherever you wish. If you really want, you can also turn it upside down. And if you can't move it anymore, then just move to the next cylinder. Perfect. And you can move it to the right. You can move it to the left. Okay, but I don't want it upside down in this case. So let's move it back. Now I want to make sure that the statue is touching the floor. Go to World Editor, Editor Panel, and then make sure Position Axis Lock is on None. Close the menu. This way you can move it to the left, to the right, up, and you want it to touch the ground. So you can see there is where it's touching the ground. So now I'm going to make it bigger. I'm going to move it up. I can use my keyboard arrows and position it to where I want. Then I'll move back to take a good look at it. And when I'm happy, I'll go back to Editor Panel, lock the kit, switch off edit mode, and there it is. That's how to rotate and rescale a kit the easy way with Altspace. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos just like these, and let me know what else you want help with.